Hello everyone, we will continue the topic usual ABAP class, and in the previous video we call the method inside the program, and after that we are getting a syntax error that S underscore VBELN is not compatible with SVBELN. When we covered the function module topic, at that time, compilation error means syntax error was not there. But when we run, we got the runtime error, same to same runtime error. Now, how to correct this error? To correct this error, firstly, we will understand this point. So I will go to the program in which we have the select option. An important point, extremely important point. Suppose I will go to any of the program in which we have select option. Okay, here I have select option. Suppose I am giving some input. I am clicking on to execute button. Now I'm double clicking on select option name. Whenever I double clicked on select option name, have you seen I'm getting two things with same to same name? S underscore VBELN, S underscore VBELN with brackets. In one thing, bracket is not there. In one thing, bracket is there. And select option is a internal table we already covered and we put so much stress. Now I will add the additional word here. Select option is a internal table with header line. With header line. What is the meaning of with header line? Whenever we have a internal table with header line, it means work area and internal table both have same to same name. The name of the work area is same as that of internal table. So this S underscore VBELN is work area also. S underscore VB ELN is internal table also. Now the question comes, which one is internal table and which one is work area? The one with the brackets is a internal table. The one without the brackets is a work area. Suppose if I will double click, just see, it is just like a table where we have multiple rows and we have 4 columns and we are using brackets. So this is a internal table. If I will double click here, just see it is in the form of work area, single value. So when case of internal table with header line, if you want to identify, if you want to clearly recognize which one is internal table and which one is work area, you need to use the brackets. Whenever you will use bracket, it means that is a internal table. If we are not using brackets, it means that is a work area. Now this is the answer how we can correct this error. This SVBELN is a internal table. Now S underscore VBELN, we are passing and we are passing without brackets, It means what we are doing, we are passing work area. How work area we can pass to internal table? That's why the compatibility issue is coming, because this is your internal table also, this is your work area also. If you are not using brackets, it means SAP is recognizing it as a work area. So if I want to pass internal table, I need to use brackets. Now, if I will check the syntax, you can see there is no syntax error because internal table is passing to the internal table. Now, for the best understanding, we will run this program in the debugging mode. We will check the output. I will put a breakpoint. And now I will run. Now I will give the range of input. Suppose I am giving 44, 45. I will go to desktop 3. Currently, I am on 15th number line and the object has not created yet. Now I am doing F6. So this line executed and object is created. Now I'm on 17th number line. If I will do F6, this will act as one line because dot is on 21 number line and control will come to 23rd number line. But we have written the logic in this class method and I want to show you in the debugging mode. So rather than F6, we will do F5 because F5 is step-by-step execution. Now you can see we are passing internal table. We are passing internal table. So this internal table will go to this particular parameter of the class method. I'm doing F5. Now you can see I'm inside the class method. So whatever we passed from the program, it is now in SVBELN. From the program, you exported so that in this class method, it will treat as import. And we gave this range. Yes, we gave 44 to 45. Relational operator is between and the what is sign? Sign is include I. Now I'm on 22nd number line. This internal table has 0 record and 4 columns. Whenever I will do F6, so based upon the input, it fetched the data of these 4 columns and data came into this internal table. If you see, we have 2 records in the internal table, one for 44, one for 45. Now, our internal table is not initial. Yes, because the data is in the internal table. We have 2 records in the internal table. It means internal table is not initial, is not null, is not blank. So this if condition is true. Now I'm on 28th number line. Now what is the input to fetch data from VBAP table? For all entries of first internal table, this is the all the data of first internal table. And from this all data, which column we are referring? VBELN. This is on the right hand side. First internal table VBELN. Check what is in first internal table VBELN. 44, 45. So this 44 or 45 will pass to which column? VBELN of which table? VBAP table. So for the second table, how we are fetching the data? First internal table VBELN is acting as an input for the VBAP table. What is in first internal table VBELN? 44, 45. And whenever I will execute, just see, as of now, I have 0 records. Whenever I will execute, Now we have 3 records. 2 records for sales order number 44, 1 record for sales order number 45. Now we are on loop statement. So this outer internal table has 2 records, inner internal table has 3 records. So firstly, first record from the internal table, this internal table will go to work area whenever this loop will execute. If I will show you work area as of now, work area is completely blank as of now. Whenever I will execute this statement, first record from the internal table will go to work area. I'm doing F6. Now from this internal table, this 44 sales order number record went to work area, Just see, we have the 44 sales order number record is in the work area. So what is work area sales order number? It is 44. Now I'm on inner loop. Inner loop has how many record? 3 records. Now, what is the where condition for the inner loop? First work area VBELN. First work area VBL. What is there in the first work area VBELN? 44. So VBELN is equal to 44. Input is on the right hand side. VBELN 44 is a input for this internal table LT underscore data one. Just see, for the first record, is VBELN is equal to 44? Yes, it is equal to 44. So yes, condition is true. So first record, this record will go to work area because 44 match with 44. Now, 44 match with 44 and first record from the second internal table went to work area. Now from these 2 work areas, we are passing the values to final work area. So if you see, we are passing the values to final work area. Now if I will show you final work area, you can see we have the values of 6 columns in the final work area. Now we are going for append statement. Whenever append will execute, as of now, it has 0 record. Now we have first record in the internal table. We have 6 column data, yes, and first record in the internal table. Now inner loop will go for second record now. Now we have second record of the inner loop because inner loop has 3 records. So it will continue 3 times. Now just check now second record. From the second record, yes, what is the VBELN 44 and what is the where condition? First work area VBELN. Is it 44? Yes, 44 match with this 44. Whenever 44 match with the 44, this second record will go to work area. Now, whenever I will execute, now you can see in the work area, in this work area, we have the second record. Now, we are passing it to final work area. Now from the final work area, we are passing it to final internal table. Now we have second record. Now this inner loop will go for third iteration. Yes, it will go for third iteration, but for the third record, the VBELN is 45. But what is the where condition? Where condition is based upon 44. 45 is not matching with 44. So this particular iteration, yes, this particular things will not execute. But never think that third iteration will not be there. Third iteration will be there, but the condition is false. So inner loop done. Now we will go for again outer loop. Now from the outer loop, first record processed. Now it's a turn for which record? Second record. Now whenever second record will process, so second record from the internal table will go to work area. Just see in the work area, we have now 45 sales order number. Now we are on inner loop now. Inner loop will continue 3 times. Yes, it will be 3 times because we have 3 records in the internal table. But what is the where condition? Where condition is first work area sales order number. What is first work area sales order number? It is 45. So 45, 44 will not match. 45, 44 will not match. 45 will match with this 45. So this particular record will go to work area. But never think that inner loop will only go directly go to third iteration. No, it will go for all the iterations one by one. Now, third iteration is true. Third, in the third record, we have a true condition, and you can see the third record went to work area, which has the order number 45. Now, one by one, we are passing the data to final work area. Now, from the work area, we are passing to internal table. Now, we have all the 3 records in the internal table. Now, for inner loop, done. Now control will come to outer loop, all 2 records processed. Now control, and we will again jump onto our program. Control back to our program. So LT output gave the result to LT underscore final. And now we have 3 records in the internal table. 3 record and 6 column. So this loop will continue 3 times, and we are displaying the output of 6 columns. And you can see we have the expected result. And just see, it is one of the best example of modularization technique. We have not written this much long logic in the program. We have written the logic in the class method, and we are calling the class method inside a program. Best example of modularization technique. So what is the summary of the video? In this video, firstly, we understand why we got a syntax error, because select option is a internal table with header line. In that, the work area is same as that of internal table. If you want to differentiate between both of them, if you want to refer internal table, we need to use bracket. So previously, we are passing work area to internal table. That's why syntax error came. Then after that, we simply use the brackets. So internal table, syntax error gone. After that, we simply put the breakpoint and understood the output in the debugging mode. An important topic from the project perspective, because in the projects, we need to use modularization techniques like class method, and we need to call in the program. So that's it in this video. Thank you.